Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings. This saves time. Click the three-dot menu at the top right, then choose Settings. Once the Settings page loads, type cookies into the search box so you land directly on privacy and security options. Make sure you are signed into the correct profile before changing anything, because cookie rules apply per profile. This first step positions you to modify site data without hunting through nested menus. You now work through the cookie controls under Privacy and Security. Click Cookies and Other Site Data, then pick either block third-party cookies to reduce tracking or block all cookies if you want strict blocking. Note, blocking all may break many sites. Use Add Next to sites that can always use cookies to whitelist essential sites like banks or email. Once you add exceptions, Chrome will honor them. Make sure to save any changes if prompted and test a few sites to confirm functionality. You finish by clearing any leftover cookies and restarting Chrome so changes take effect. Go to Clear Browsing Data, choose Cookies and Other Site Data, then Clear. After restart, test logins and site features. If something breaks, reopen cookie settings and either add that site to exceptions or temporarily revert block all cookies to a less strict option. One key troubleshooting tip: if persistent login or layout issues remain, try incognito to isolate extension conflicts before changing cookie settings again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.